Yennai Arindhal Tamil movie summary. In 2015, Thenmoji, a carefree girl from Chennai, comes to Boston to meet her newborn niece. 3 weeks later, while leaving for Chennai at the airport, Thenmoji gets a free upgrade to first class. During the flight, she starts vomiting due to overeating, but she feels better with the help of her co-passenger, Satyadev, and she develops a crush on him. The next day in Chennai, Satyadev and Thenmoji meet at a cafe. Victor Manoharan, a notorious gangster, arrives with his gang to abduct Thenmoji, but Satya's intervention causes Victor and his men to retreat. Past. In 1989, Satya's father gets killed by a gangster, after which the 14-year-old Satya makes a decision. In 2002, Satya is seen in prison with Victor, where he fights along with Victor in a botched attempt to kill the latter. They escape jail, and Satya arranges Victor's marriage to his love interest, Elizabeth Lisa. Satya and Victor meet Matthew, an illegal organ dealer, and Satya infiltrates the gang, revealing himself as an IPS of the TUNPD crime branch. Satya kills Matthew and engages in combat with Victor, where Satya brutally wounds Victor, who swears vengeance on Satya. 2 years later, in an attempt to nab a gangster at Egmore railway station, Satya helps a pregnant woman named Hemanika, who immediately needs to get to a hospital for delivery. 2 years later, Satya meets Hemanika and her child Isha again. After meeting and getting to know each other over 3 years, they plan to get married. On the eve of their marriage, Hemanika is brutally murdered, which leaves Satya heartbroken, but Isha is saved as she was with him that night. Satya meets and kills his adversary, Golden Raj, but learns that Raj did not kill Hemanika. Satya hides the fact from Isha by telling her that Hemanika had left somewhere far away and that she wanted him to take care of her. Satya decides to quit his job and travels with Isha around India, with his colleague DCP Richard's help. Satya returns to Chennai after 6 years, where he learns that his friend Sarvanan's 15-year-old daughter Niranjana has gone missing. He discovers that Victor has resurfaced and is stealing organs illegally with foreign doctors to earn millions. Victor is trying to save his wealthy customer Muruganandam, who needs a heart transplant. Satya finds the child and eventually the organ theft network's next target, Thenmoji. Satya is reinstated in the police department and leaves for Boston. Present, Satya lets Thenmoji stay in their house with Isha. In an attempt to get Thenmoji, Victor and his team kidnap Isha, who is held captive by Lisa. Victor tells Satya that he will release Isha only if he surrenders Thenmoji, which Satya accepts. When they arrive at the location, they kill Muruganandam. Satya finds Thenmoji's location and leaves to locate Isha, who is held at knife point by Lisa and attempts to stab Isha, which makes Satya shoot and kill Lisa, leaving Victor heartbroken. Victor sneaks into Satya's house, kills all the officers positioned in Satya's house, and reveals himself as Hemanika's killer. The duo engages in a bloody fight, where Satya mortally wounds Victor in the same way Hemanika was killed. Satya drags a wounded Victor outside and leaves his colleagues to kill him. Isha and Thenmoji plan out the former's birthday. Thenmoji promises to be with Isha throughout the day. Before taking Isha home, Satya reminds Thenmoji of the pending coffee that Thenmoji wants to have with Satya, indicating that Satya is ready to move on with Thenmoji.